Dewesoft and Beckhoff TwinCAT demonstration. In this demonstration we are using Dewesoft hardware and software in cooperation with Beckhoff TwinCAT PLC software. Both Dewesoft and TwinCAT run on the same S-Box PC, but we have isolated one CPU core solely for the TwinCAT PLC program. 3 cores are running Windows and 1 core is running the PLC program. Sirius device is connected over USB to Dewesoft and over EtherCAT to the PLC. Sirius device is connected over USB to the S-Box and in the S-Box to the Dewesoft software. In parallel, we are running the EtherCAT bus, and on the EtherCAT bus we have again the same Sirius but also the Krypton digital output. The EtherCAT bus is connected to the TwinCAT PLC application and it's bypassing Dewesoft software. The PLC program is using Sirius inputs as the feedback to its control loop, and the PLC program is using the Krypton digital output to drive the actuator. We have an electric actuator that is moving the connector front and backwards, and we have a load cell that is measuring the force in the connector. We also have a potentiometer to measure the displacement of the actuator. All the input signals are going in an analog way into the Sirius box. So we have a load cell, we have a potentiometer, we are measuring voltage from the actuator and we are measuring current from the actuator. The actuator is driven by the PWM signal out of the Krypton digital output. As the PLC is controlling our test bench, we may start it, and now the actuator is moving the connectors and we are measuring the force in Dewesoft. The beauty of this setup is that we can control the actuator and the whole test bench with a real-time PLC software. But in parallel we can see all the nice graphics inside Dewesoft. You can see an actuator force for each movement, you can see a displacement versus force curves, and you can see the voltage and current in the actuator, and you can perform in-depth analysis. I will now use safe mode to lock the Sirius device from the USB. We set a password, and now Sirius is locked. So Dewesoft will refuse to stop the measurement until I enter the password. I also cannot close Dewesoft. If I close Dewesoft manually, the system will continue to run. So Dewesoft has just closed, but Sirius is still providing valuable data to the PLC. And I can even force blue screen, and Sirius will continue to provide the data to the PLC, and the test bench will continue to operate safely.